Intro music upbeat and techy. Hey everyone, welcome back to Fix Zone. Today, we're diving into a super useful trick for Mac users, how to master window tiling. This is going to boost your productivity big time, so let's get started. Screen recording starts, showing a Mac desktop. Alright, the first way to tile windows on your Mac is super intuitive. Just grab the window you want to tile and drag it to any side of your screen. For example, I'm dragging this window to the left side. See that preview?
When you release the mouse button, boom.
It's locked in place on the left. Demonstrates dragging a window to the left and releasing. And if you want to remove it, just grab the window and drag it away. It'll snap back to its original size. Easy peasy.
Demonstrate dragging the window away from the tile.
You can also tile windows into quarter sections. Just drag the window to any corner of your screen, like this. Demonstrates dragging a window to a corner. Now if you want a full screen view, drag the window to the top of the screen. As you can see, it's created a full screen window. To bring it back, just drag it off the top, and it'll revert to its previous size. Demonstrates dragging a window to the top. Okay, let's move on to the second way to tile, and this one's a bit more advanced. Hover your mouse over the green Maximize/Tile button in the top left corner of the window. This will open the Tile menu. Demonstrates hovering over the green button. You'll see three sections. The first one is Move and Resize. If you select any of these options, it'll only move that specific window to the tile. So if I choose Move Window to left side, only this window will move. Demonstrates choosing Move Window to left side. The second section is Fill and Arrange. This one's a bit smarter. It'll move your current window to the selected tile and rearrange other open windows into the remaining available tiles. For example, if I select Tile Window to left of screen, my current window goes to the left, and the other windows automatically fill in the spaces on the right. Pretty cool, right? Demonstrates choosing Tile Window to left of screen. Now if you have two windows tiled side by side, you can resize them simultaneously. Just hover your mouse over the middle divider between the windows. You'll see a little notch icon. Drag that to the left or right to resize both windows at the same time. This is great for quickly adjusting your workspace. Demonstrates resizing two tiled windows. Finally, the third section of the tiling menu is Full Screen. You have options like Enter Full Screen, Move to left side of screen, Create new desktop, and Move to right side of screen, Create new desktop. These options basically open the application in full screen, potentially creating a new virtual desktop. You can then swipe between these desktops using the trackpad or keyboard shortcuts. Demonstrates the full screen options. And that's it. That's how you can effectively use window tiling on your Mac to stay organized and boost your productivity. Outro music starts. If you found this video helpful, please give it a like. And if you have any questions or comments, leave them down below. Don't forget to subscribe to Fix Zone for more tips and tricks. Thanks for watching.